How to add a device in the Ring app. So first open the app, then after opening it, you'll see an option called Setup a Device. Tap on it and here choose the device that you want to set up. So for now, I'll just tap on doorbells, then scan the QR code on your Ring product that you bought. So in order to scan, just tap on I am ready to scan option located on the bottom of your screen. Then allow Ring to take pictures and record videos to access your camera. Then after scanning the QR code, your Ring app will be linked to your device. And it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.